I can't believe 2025 is over and done with, and it's finally 2026. Hey everyone, I'm Waggle Warrior, aka Julie. If you like seeing what people have emptied and hearing some speed reviews, then you are in the right place. Alright, let me take these out in front of me, categorize them, and then we'll get started. Alright, let's start with the first category, which is hair care. There is one lone product. This here is from AHAVA NYC, and it's the Freshen Up Invisible Dry Shampoo. No, you're not experiencing deja vu. I did empty this in last month's empties. This one I got, I want to say, in the Walmart box, and the other one in the Allure box, or vice versa. I can't remember. This was nice. It was lovely. I got them back-to-back boxes. Would I repurchase if it wasn't super expensive? Sure. Although I do have a favorite dry shampoo. But this one was nice. Alright, let's move along to the boring category, which is the household generic beauty category. Alright, first we have a hand soap from a Dial. This is antibacterial. I hated this and I will never buy it again. It just smells like the soap when you're at a hospital and it's not foaming. So, no. I also used up this Fresh Scent Foaming Hand Soap. I would use this to refill my hand soap dispensers in between when I would get something from Bath & Body Works. I just did a big haul if you missed it. This was nice. Dial was not. I would repurchase this one. Although, somebody tell me, is EQUATE the in-house brand of Rite Aid, Target, CVS, or Walgreens? If it's Rite Aid, no, I can't buy it again, because our Rite Aid is no more. It's turning into Trader Joe's, and I'm super excited. All right, this here is from Wizard. I got this from the Dollar Tree. It's Hawaiian Retreat. However, no. Not the same as the Glade. Even at $1.25, I will not repurchase. Save your money and get a spray from Glade. This one just smells more powdery than the actual scent advertised. Alright, now on to personal products. This was also picked up from the Dollar Tree. It's called Modest Basics, and these are feminine wipes. You get 32 of them. I won't go into detail, but there are certain days where you either overslept, didn't have time to shower, or maybe you did shower and later that day you just need a freshen up. Or it's basically a baby wipe that's very highly scented and costs $1.25. I personally would prefer a baby wipe over this scent, but the wipe itself, was decent sized. I used it up, and honestly, I'd rather use a makeup wipe, which pretty much does the same thing. Although you do get 32 instead of 25 in this package. It's just very old lady scented. Alright, the other product in personal beauty products is the Degree Ultraclear deodorant. You've seen this in the past. You'll see it in the future. This is one of my favorite stick deodorants. I usually get these as a 2-pack at Target. Love, love, love. You will see it again. Alright, now on to skincare. First product, we have a serum from DERMELECT. This is the Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. This one's really nice, and I want to say I've emptied it or a similar product from the same brand in the past. It's interesting. It's seems like it would be, or feels like it's a oil. It's not greasy, but it just, when you first, I don't know if I have any left. No. I think it's the silicones. It's really nice. You need the tiniest amount, and it feels very smoothing on your skin, like an oil, but not greasy, if you know what I mean. Would love to get it again. I want to say I have repurchased. Highly recommend. Here is another product I highly recommend. This is from Skin & Co. There is not a product from Skin & Co. I tried that I have not thoroughly enjoyed. This is the face toner. I want to say I got this in an Allure box. Love, love, love this. If I didn't already own like at least 10 toners that I need to go through, I would for sure repurchase this. I love it that much, and it smells really nice. It has that classic Skin & Co. scent, which is kind of like almond. I don't know, they call it truffle something. It's almond, nice, very enjoyable, and just it's their signature scent. All right, what else did I empty? Oh yes, KOPARI. I love body lotions from KOPARI, which I use as a hand cream. This is the Ultra Restore Body Butter. I don't know where this came from. It's not the first one I've ever tried, and hopefully it's not the last. This is fantastic. Again, this size I just use as a hand cream. All right, this here is an eye cream. It's the Glowing Vitamin C eye cream. I got this at the Dollar Tree. It was a whopping $1.25. It was fantastic. It's the gel formula. Do I have any left? The kind that's kind of clear and very loose. Oh, there we have a little teeny bit. Hopefully that will show up. This was lovely. I would, every day, morning and evening, plop it under my eyes. Highly recommend. And if I didn't own, what's the number, folks? 8 million eye creams, I would definitely buy it again. All right, here we have a product from AHAVA. This is the Overnight Skin De-Stressing Cream. This was okay. It smells very earthy, and I'm not an earthy girl. Give me tropical, give me watermelon, give me coconut. If it smells like Hawaii or vanilla or bum bum cream, sign me up. If it's earthy, not so much. The cream, it was nice. The scent, the price, no. But it wasn't bad. All right, so here is the last skincare product. This is from INNISFREE. It's the Green Tea Seed Hyaluronic Serum. This screams that I got it in an Allure bag. Is there any left? Yes, this was also clear, quite thin. It was nice. Was it anything to write home about? No. Was it horrible? No. If I got it in another beauty subscription, I would definitely use it. Am I going to go out of my way to repurchase it? I'm going to say no. I own, yes, 8 million skincare products. So something really has to wow me for me to want to go out and buy it when I'm trying to go through all of the products in my collection. That one did not wow, but it also didn't offend me. All right, was that everything? Yes. Okay, let's move along to makeup. I actually have 2 makeup products. So this one, I'm sad because I don't know that they make it anymore. Maybe they do. This here is from Wet n Wild. It's the Dewy Lumino Face Primer. I've had this in favorites lists over the years. I don't use it all the time, which is why it took me forever to empty. It gives a super nice glow. No, I'm not wearing it today because she's empty. Do I have any left? No. Just look up Dewy Face Primer in my video list. It's lovely. It gives a super nice glow. It's super affordable, like $5.49. You can or could at one point get it off of Amazon. Highly recommend. If it's still on the market, I will definitely pick it up in the future. And then the last product, you've heard me talk about a million times. I have it on my eyes right now because I had to open a new one. This here is from L'Oreal. It's the Telescopic Lift Waterproof Mascara. I love this mascara. In fact, it's my #1 mascara. And my #2 is a no-no. You'll see that next month. Yes, highly recommend, but I can only speak to the waterproof. It's very waterproof. It helps to lengthen my lashes. I often will get comments like, hey, your lashes are fantastic. What do you use? This is what I use. I have repurchased this, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 times now once I discovered it, and I will definitely repurchase again in the future. All right, that is everything I emptied in the month of December 2025. Leave me a comment and let me know if you have tried any of those products. and what your thoughts are. It's okay if we disagree. Every person's skin and preferences are different, but I do still love to hear from you. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow, as does swiping the hype button if you happen to be watching on your phone. All right, thanks everyone.